All right, here today we have a 1998 Chevrolet 2500. It's got the 6.5 diesel engine in it, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, and only 130,000 miles on this one. Pretty clean truck all the way around. Had some rust on the very bottom down here that's been bed linered, but overall there's not a whole lot of rust. It does have some dings in the door. It's hard to tell right now because it just rained. It's got aftermarket wheels on it. Good tread on the tires, at least 75% tread. It's got the tow package on the back. A couple more dings and the tailgate right there. Exhaust comes out in front of the axle there. It's got some more dings on the door right down through there. The handle's got some glue or something around it. This is just a two-door, so you have to pull this lever to get into the back seat. There's 3 seats back there and 3 more in the front. Jump in here and fire her up. Truck runs and drives great. It does have a service engine light on, and it has something to do with the timing being advanced, I believe. It has some type of tune on it because it has a lot of power. So we're guessing that code has something to do with the tune that's on the truck. But truck runs and drives good. Four-wheel drive works good. Check to see if the AC is working. Sounds like the AC is kicking on, but it's not super cold, so I'm not sure on the AC. Bed's in great condition. It's got a spray-in bed liner in there. That's it on this one. If you have any other questions, just feel free to give us a call.